Hi guys, today is radiofrequency skin tightening 101. I get so many questions every day on radiofrequency skin tightening, so I'm going to address that today. On my channel, I do all sorts of body sculpting and body contouring, and radiofrequency is just one of those ways that you can do that. It's really important that you know what you're looking for before you buy a machine or a device. Are you looking to just tighten your skin? Are you looking to also tighten your skin and promote fat loss? So those are all the things that you really need to think about before you purchase a device or a machine. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'm going to address all this today. I'm Joan Johnson, and this is Beauty Over 50 on a Budget, where I do body sculpting, body contouring, and sprinkle in a little bit of anti-aging and skincare. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, what is radiofrequency skin tightening? Radiofrequency skin tightening is a form of radio waves that penetrate into the skin that create heat. With that heat, your body produces collagen and elastin. With radiofrequency skin tightening, you get an instant lifting effect because when the radio waves go into your skin, it busts up that collagen and elastin and promotes blood flow. So that gives you the instant lifting and tightening effect when it does that. It contracts that elastin and that collagen. And as the heat promotes cell turnover, that's when your body starts to produce more collagen and elastin. And over time, your skin will actually get thicker and tighter. So that's what's great about radiofrequency is it actually improves your skin and it thickens it. And as we get older, our skin does get thinner. So that's what we want. We want to promote that circulation. We want to promote new collagen and elastin, and we want thicker, tighter skin. I know I do. Okay, what are the different frequencies of radiofrequency skin tightening? The majority of the handheld devices that are just a handheld device are a 1 megahertz. You really don't have to worry about fat loss with a 1 megahertz radio frequency. It's when you get into the higher radio frequencies that are going to promote fat loss. So if you are just looking for something to tone and tighten your skin, a 1 megahertz device is going to work for you. But if you're looking for something that actually sculpts in your body and gets rid of fat, then you're going to want to go to a higher megahertz. A 3, 5, and 6 are going to promote fat loss. So it's really important that you know the difference, and it's really important that you know what you're looking for before you buy the device. That's why it's always important to look in the machine's description or the specifications of the machine so you know exactly what strength you're getting. Radiofrequency skin tightening does not have to be expensive. When you go to a salon or a medical spa, they're going to charge you thousands of dollars. But you can get a really good device for a few $100s. And the beauty of that is that you own it. So then you don't have to keep dishing out thousands of dollars to get your treatments. You can do your treatments at home. How do you prep your skin for radiofrequency skin tightening? You're going to drink a lot of water. I say this on all my videos. Water is your best friend. That's what's going to hydrate you as you're creating these micro injuries. You're creating this controlled damage in your skin. Your body going to have a lot of cell turnover when you do radiofrequency skin tightening. You're also going to clean it and make sure that your skin is clean, free of any kind of makeup or sunscreen. Then you're going to use a cooling gel. I like to use this from 70 Wellness because it has hyaluronic acid and peptides, but you can use just an hyaluronic acid, you can use an aloe vera gel, you can use whatever you prefer as long as it's water-based and not oil-based. That's going to keep the top layer of your skin cool while you're using your radiofrequency skin tightening. Okay, so how do you do the treatments? You're going to go when you're doing your face, you're going to do in an upward motion all of your face, and then you're going to do small circles all the way around for about 10 minutes. You can cover the entire area of your face and your chin several times in 10 minutes because you're constantly moving it around. Because again, radio frequency gets hot. You're going to want to keep moving it because it's going to feel like it's burning you if you don't keep it moving. If you're doing radio frequency skin tightening on your arms, 15 minutes per arm is plenty enough time to do radio frequency. And again, you're going to want to do some sort of a gel, not oil-based oil. You're going to want to do some kind of a water-based gel on your skin. Radio frequency skin tightening works great for tightening up the elbows and the knees. 15 minutes per arm, 15 minutes per leg. And how you're going to perform that is you're going to go vertically up and down your arm, horizontally around your arm, and then small circles all the way around your arm. And you're going to be able to go around your arm several times in 15 minutes. The same with your legs, 15 minutes per leg. Horizontal, vertical, and then circular, all the way around your leg. And your knees. You can really tighten up your knees with radio frequency skin tightening. Another thing that I just absolutely love about radio frequency skin tightening is you can pair it with different devices or different modalities. You can pair radio frequency skin tightening with microneedling. You can pair it with microcurrent. You can pair it with cavitation. You can pair it with vacuum therapy. You can pair it with LED light therapy. It just works well, and it's just a great add-on to all these different procedures and devices. And it works so well. That's what radio frequency skin tightening is like one of my favorite devices, one of my favorite treatments, because not only does the heat feel good under the skin, it gives you that instant lift. That's what's so great about it. It's instant gratification when you're using radio frequency skin tightening. How often can I do radio frequency skin tightening? So you need to know your device. If your device is a 1 megahertz, you can do radio frequency skin tightening as much as twice a week till you get your desired outcome, and then maintenance once a month. If you have a device that's 3, 5, or 6, you're not going to want to do it twice a week, every 2 weeks, or once a month, depending on your needs. So if you are looking to lift the skin on your face, you're not going to want to use it twice a week, because then you're going to do more damage than good, because the skin on your face is thinner than the skin on your arms and the skin on your legs and the skin on your abdomen. So you just want to know your device. That's the most important thing. Know what megahertz your device is. Then if it's a 1, you can use it twice a week. If it's a 3, 5, or 6, you're going to want to use it every other week or once a month, depending on your need. Because you can actually do more damage than good with the stronger megahertz. Your body needs time to do that cell turnover and that collagen and elastin production. And when you continually repeat over and over and over, your body's not going to have time to give you that cell turnover and that new collagen and elastin, because you're going to keep destroying it. And once you reach your desired outcome, maintenance for a 1 megahertz is once a month, and a 3, 5, or 6 is every 6 months. So what are the side effects from radio frequency skin tightening? You can feel, your skin might feel a little bit tender. It might even be a little bit swollen because you've heated up that deep layer of the dermis and you've created some controlled damage. So your body's going to need time to heal. But what's beautiful about radio frequency skin tightening, you're going to notice that instant lift. How do I purchase a radio frequency skin tightening machine? How do I know it's a good machine? How do I know? Well, on my channel, I like to explore all kinds of different machines and frequencies and body contouring, as well as anti-aging. And I will leave links to different machines in the description below the video. I always leave links to everything that I use in my videos in the description below. You can use radio frequency skin tightening to contour your whole body, as well as tone and tighten it and give it a lifting effect. I hope this video has answered some of your questions with regards to radio frequency skin tightening and how it relates to body contouring. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.